guys, I am Yulia. And do you want to learn math? Okay, but first, like and subscribe. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is, if you don't know, you can skip that. 6 plus 6 is nothing. 7 plus 7 is 13. I mean 14. 1 plus 1 is 2. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 40 is 100. Do you like my video? Like and subscribe. Watch it at the video at YouTube. Write my name, Yulia Gabriel, and you are done. Like and subscribe.